Pancakes for my love, Vero. Made by me, the Ratchet Man, but let's see the conclusion. So we can watch the video. God damn, I got syrup all on the goddamn cell phone. All over my fucking girl's thing. I'm just kidding. Baby! Baby! Ratchet Show, you already know. Who wants pancakes? And we're live. Come on. Vero! This is for you all. Putting up with all the fucking shit. From me, baby. I made you pancakes. Look at that. They're hot. Get them while they're hot. Put some clothes on. You're on the video. Oh, that shit scared the fuck out of me. That's a trash can. Baby. Breakfast in bed from a ratchet asshole who's trying to say sorry. That fucking syrup is dripping everywhere. Shit. Yes. Don't worry about the syrup dripping. I just want to worry about you eating. Don't let them things fall out. I'm going to be mad. I'm going to be mad. Let me see.